Hi there, it's me, Carla. Remember those favorite pair of jeans that fit you just right, and then you ate and you couldn't even zip them up? Bloating is extremely common, and let's face it, annoying. That's why I've got 5 tips that will help you stop bloating. Tip 1, drink water. Well, people actually don't drink enough water, which actually makes it difficult for the digestion process. So fix that by drinking 8 to 10 8-ounce glasses of water every day. But don't drink too much water before workouts because that can make the belly swell. Tip 2, avoid carbonated drinks.
No, not today.
I know, it may be hard not to drink anything bubbly. While you may enjoy champagne, beer, or soda, cut it out of your diet. Try peppermint tea or lemon water to help decrease bloating if that's the culprit. Tip 3, choose potassium and magnesium. Sure, these are familiar names from science classes you took years ago, but where do you find them? These minerals will help balance fluids in the body and decrease bloating. They can be found in foods such as avocados, bananas, mangoes, raw nuts and seeds, and leafy greens such as kale and spinach. Tip 4, fill up on fiber. Nobody likes feeling constipated. So how do you remedy this? Eating fibrous foods can help smooth things out. But don't eat too much fiber all at once because this can lead to constipation. So keep adjusting your diet to take in the right amount of fiber that's right for you. Tip 5, get your yoga on. That's right, yoga is an awesome remedy that can naturally reduce bloating. Yoga relaxes you and gets the tension out of your body by improving circulation and movement. Torso twisting movements can relax the belly and help stop bloating. Namaste to that. Hope you enjoyed these tips to help stop bloating. Feel free to leave feedback in the comments below. And for more health tips, don't forget to subscribe.